Today we're making a simple origami swan, like this one. To start, you take your origami paper and you fold it into a triangle. And then you open it up and fold both sides to the center. Like that. Now I'm going to flip it over so the pointy corner is up on top and the more blunt corner is down towards me. And I'm going to fold both sides to the center again. Next, I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise, so you're bringing this corner all the way down to this corner. And then I'm going to fold up a little bit. That fold that you're making right now is going to become the swan's head. And we're going to fold it in half, like a taco. And I'm going to pull up on the head, on what I just folded down. That's the head and neck. So that's my neck, and then I'll pull the head out. And you have a swan.